Are you tired of slow hair growth and thinning edges? This simple hair oil made with onion, garlic, pineapple leaf and olive oil will transform your hair in just a week. Stay with me as I am showing you guys how to make it step by step and how to apply it to get the maximum result. First, starting cutting my pineapple leaf, I put it inside my cross blender to just cross it small to make it easier. So now after blending it, guys, you can see it's not like I blended. My daughter fighting with me, guys. I didn't blend it to get very smooth paste, so this amount is okay. So now I'm pouring it into my bottle because this is the bottle that I'm going to use to make it. I'm going to do this oil for double boil method, so it's good for you to stay tuned and watch to the end and see how I'm going to use it also. Well, starting with pineapple leaf. Pineapple leaf is rich in enzymes that promoting healthy scalp and shining hair. So this thing, whether you can use it to infuse oil or you are going to use it as a resin, boil it and use it to raise your hair, is very good for hair growing journey. Whether it's the permanent hair or natural hair, is good for all both head. Okay, so now after that I cut my garlic and put inside, and now the next one that I'm cutting is my onion. So let's check and see garlic. Garlic also is strengthening hair roots and also improving blood circulation to your hair. Now I'm cutting my onion. I'm going to put the onion inside. Onion also is boosting hair growth and fighting dandruff. Okay, so now I'm cutting my ginger. Well, guys, what I did was, like, I cut the ginger also, but after that I just think that it's good for me to just put it inside my cross blender to cross it small, because this is the way that was put inside. But I feel like no, it's not going to infuse very fast for me. So what I did is, after putting it inside like this, I remove it again and put inside my cross blender to just cross it. Like, you can use knife to cut it small, much more small. So now, guys, you can see this is the way that I'm talking about. So I put the ginger inside to make it this way and add it into my ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients that I use is pineapple leaf, okay, garlic, onion and ginger. So these 4 ingredients that I use to be preparing this infusing oil. So now I'm adding my olive oil. I'm adding olive oil, guys. Sorry, my voice is not good. I'm not feeling well, so gripe. I have a gripe, so that's why my voice is like that. So I added my olive oil, and the next oil that I'm going to use to fill this bottle is my cold pressed avocado oil. I made this oil for myself. Please, if you want to check and see how you can make your homemade avocado oil, please, you can check my channel. You'll see how to make your own avocado cold press oil at home, so that you can learn how to do it by yourself. It's very easy and simple way to make it. So after that, I added my cold press avocado oil inside to start mixing it this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it in the water and I'm going to allow it to infuse at least 40 minutes. Okay, 30 to 40 minutes that I'm going to leave it in the fire. But time to time I have to be coming to be checking it, because you have to be staining it, not for it not to sit at the down part. So let's check and see about the ginger also. Ginger is stimulating hair follicles and also reducing hair falling. So while you are using ginger in your hair, whether you are use ginger to infuse oils or you use ginger to make a racing tea or living in spray, it's going to help you to stimulate your hair follicles and also reduce hair falling. If you have hair, if your hair is falling too much, you are using ginger, adding it into your routine is going to help you and support your hair for it not to do what, for it not to be shedding again. So now adding avocado and cold press oil is also deep moisturizing and nourishing the scalp your scalp. So guys, after that, you can see how my oil, the face is looking, right? Yes, now I'm going to strain it. So this is the way that after 40 minutes I bring it and strain it. So now I finished straining my oil. You can see how clean it is. But definitely when you strain it this way, whether you like or not, check the spoon. When you look at the spoon, you guys will notice something. There is some water under, because of the garlic and those ingredients. There is fresh ingredients, right? So the water from those ingredients is still inside. So no matter how you do it, you may still get some oil and water inside. So you have to pour it inside something so that all the water will go down. The water from the ingredient, it will go down, so that you remove the oil. You take the oil from the up and leave the down part and throw it away, otherwise it can spoil your oil very quick. So guys, after straining it, I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon inside. So vitamin E oil is also help to strengthen and replace hair damaging hair. If you have damaging hair, you are adding vitamin E oil into your routine. Is going to help you to replace the damaged hairs. So after that, I'm adding my lavender essential oil inside. Lavender is the smell is very good. Not only the smell, also alone, lavender also is stimulating the scalp, smoothing the scalp also. So if you are adding lavender into your routine, is going to help you to stimulate your scalp, and while your scalp is very neat and stimulate very well, that will help you to get the hair grow very faster. So I'm not joking with, there are some essential oils that I don't joke with it. Anytime when I'm doing my things, I always make sure to add it inside. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. So now let's continue. Continue with my mango essential oil. Okay, mango essential oil. So I love the smell of the mango essential oil. It's also adding shining and fragrance to your hair. So I added some few drops of a mango essential oil inside my. So the best way to use this oil, you can use it as a scalp massaging oil, or you can use it as a hot oil treatment to make hot oil treatment. At least you can massage your hair gently and leave it for a night. Like a night, you can do it the next morning, you get up and wash it, or you can make it and leave it for at least 2 hours before go and wash it. This hair oil is very good because it's helping us, it's helping me, and I know it's going to work for you also. This one, it doesn't matter whether you have a low prostate or high prostate, you can do it, because definitely after that you are going to wash it. It's not like this oil is going to remain in your hair. After that you are going to wash it off, okay, and get the healthy scalp. Don't forget, if you watch it up to this point, you know that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share for me if you really love what I'm doing. And this channel is all about how to take care of your hair,